Hey guys, welcome back. This is our last advent for 2023, unless I ordered something that didn't come that I don't remember, and I don't think I did. We are opening the 2023 Funko Pop Harry Potter Advent Calendar. It's a 24-day Advent calendar. Last year we opened 2022 and 2021 because I got both, but we're caught up now. So we're just opening this year's. And since it is not planner related, I saved it for last. These are always fun for me because I am a Potterhead, and I've got my kids watching the movies now. They have been refusing to watch them for years, and I have finally got them watching them. I recall from last year, these are quite sharp around the edges, so in case you're going to go grab this now for someone who likes Harry Potter in your life, just make sure they know those things are sharp. So day one, what have we got? And we've got Harry. For day one, at least it looks like Harry to me. Sometimes it's hard to tell with these things which character they are. Not always, but sometimes. And it seems this year we have red and green plastic film. I think 2021 or 22 was red and the other one was blue. And we've got Ron. Kind of like opening my last Christmas present. Oh. Day 3 is small. What do we got? We've got Hedwig. Hedwig does not want to stand up. Oh. Okay, so Hedwig does not stand up. Like, at all. She's very top and front heavy because of her giant head and tiny body, and does not stand up. So, FYI, Hedwig does not stand up. Day 4. Oh, who are you? Hermione, I guess? It's probably Hermione. Okay, Hermione doesn't stand up either. This is a problem. Dear Funko Pop, what the heck were you thinking this year? Why doesn't anyone stand up? Okay. Day 5. If I ever lose these scissors, I might have to start using that palette knife to open these. And we got Dumbledore in purple. He looks quite good there. He stands up just fine. Day 6, that looks like a Dobby to me. And it is Dobby. Let's see, does Dobby stand up? He does. Day 7. And Fred, because there's an F on his sweater. Oh. Oh, Fred also does not stand up. This is very disappointing this year in terms of, you know, I have a case to put all these guys in, and 3 of them so far don't stand, and 4 do. There we go. And we've got Fang. Hagrid's dog, in case you're unaware. Fang stands up just fine. Oops. 9. Snape. It looks creepy as a Funko Pop too. Alrighty. 10. Crookshanks. Crookshanks. Hermione's cat. Crookshanks stands up just fine. I think I'm going to start putting these back in the box. Just makes life easier. We've got quite the pile of red and green over here. That's a big cat. It's gotta be McGonagall. It's McGonagall. I love the hat. She stands up just fine. I keep going to open them without the scissors, and even though I know that that won't work for me, I still try to do it. Come on. Day 12. And Harry and his invisibility cloak. I do believe is what that's supposed to be. And he stands up just fine. Alright, we are halfway through. So what did you guys get for Christmas? Anything good? Anyone get planner stuff? I got no planner stuff, which is fine because, I mean outside of my advents, because I have so much planner stuff. I really don't need more. We've got Dumbledore. This is the Michael Gambon version. I think this is more of the Richard Harris version with the purple. Yeah, that's more Richard Harris. He's more Michael Gambon. So that really only applies to the movies, though. In the books, Dumbledore is just Dumbledore. And I think we've got a Malfoy. Is definitely Draco Malfoy. Oops. He stands up. J15. Hermione after the Polyjuice potion, where she gets the cat hair. I forget the name of the character that she was trying to impersonate. She got their cat's hair instead of hers. That one stands up. 16. Moving the box. And that's in Chamber of Secrets. That's what we're watching tonight. Ginny Weasley. She stands up. Day 17. This might be Luna. Yep, that's a Luna. Love the glasses. Just as sane as I am. Uh-huh. Okay, day 18. And this is George. Got the little G on the sweater. Oh, George stands up. Okay. Day 19. Harry and the Monster Book of Monsters, I think it was called, or Monster Book of Creatures, something like that. The one that tries to eat him. And book 3. Fox. Now that one is awesome. Day 21. Ron in his little sweater with his R. Does this version of Ron stand up? It does. Is this one Ron? No, the one that doesn't stand up is Fred. There's Ron. Yeah, it's Fred that doesn't stand up. Fred, Hermione, and Hedwig. It's weird. Day 22. Okay. 22 is Hagrid. He stands up just fine. Three is another Dumbledore. It's another one that reminds me of Richard Harris. Again, only applies to the movies, not the books. And day 24. Harry in his little sweater from Mrs. Weasley from the first book. So that is the 2023 Harry Potter Funko Pop Advent Calendar. So that's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.